Wawan is
And my question is related to that. Since do you think member of the LGBTQIA plus community should be allowed to join pageant in their gender that they identify to? Why?
Very good question. I mean, this round is all about stopping the war and the violence and bringing peace to everybody. And I believe that if somebody identifies as a woman and they want to join this pageant, they should be allowed to do that because if that's something that empowers them, they should be able to do that anyway. Because standing here in front of you, I feel so empowered. Standing in front of all these girls, I just feel like we're all so beautiful, and if we can let other people feel that way too, then why shouldn't we?
Sino ba? Anton, ay. Tagay tayo. Ano meron doon? Ako naman na. Kakaya.
Sa labas. Labas.
Sino ba girls na hindi natatanong? I is Emil, isang Mongga Cebu. I'm here. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fabulous.
Wow.
My question is, in your own little way, how can you actually stop the war?
Well, actually, to share with you all my story, I am a student athlete, and I also be top athletes here in the Philippines. So I ranked 6 during 2020 in gold tennis, and I compete different places. So I think I can able to bring that here in Miss Grand, where I can able to promote my advocacy, having a strong support system for the youth, because knowing that through sports, we can build self-confidence, self-discipline, and also good habits.
Pwede po ba
And
to?
through this, we can change the players into community leaders. And soon we can teach them how to strive their goals, how to
Hindi,
care
hindi ko sa likod ko
about
kasi.
sports. And most of all, a sport that will bring the pride of different places where you can contribute my leadership as well.
Negro. Ano ka ba? Venezuela. Kasi hindi ka na tanong.
Sayang. Nasa likod ko. Sa kawan, muntik na.
Kanya nga.
Daan din na.
Absolute.
Well,
Parang
thank
30
you so much for the question. I think my greatest strength would be I'm a multitasker. So since college, I was a student, working student. So currently I'm working 2 jobs. I'm always servant and a virtual medical assistant at night. So I think these hardships and also the work that I put every day of my life, I've grown from it. So everything is a challenge, but every day is also a learning process. So studying here in Miss Grand Philippines is such an honor, and representing Valenzuela City is also such an honor. And I am very proud that Miss Grand Philippines advocates for stopping the war and violence through compassion, peace, and humanity across the world. So I think everything that I did with my journey, with all of the hardships and that I put, with how I am, how strong I am, how confident I am, and that is how my
things. And that is what makes me grand. Thank you. Can we ask all the candidates who weren't asked yet to please move forward when there's ahead of the stage?
Ay, dito.
So our president ask you questions. Ayan.
Ayan pa. Kala ko magugulo
Good afternoon, everyone. So, the president is from Tarlac province.
Ed. Si Jonathan. Jonathan.
As a proud Tarlacense, how do you plan to showcase the culture and values of Tarlac on the national stage here in this international Philippines?
Uwi na kayo.
Kuya, may event pa kami.
Kaya pala na wawala kayo.
And by that,
Ewan ko, saan mo kasama mo?
this aura and this stage show Miss Grand
Kayo
to
sa...
showcase that what Kenya can show and what Kenya can be in the grand stage. And aside from that, you know, what I'm talking about is that my last name is graphic. So maybe this is the sign. I will be the next. Thank you.
Ang sarap siya. Tinawagan ko na. Sabi ko talaga na. Sabi niya. Anton. May nakita mo si Jonathan?
Sa labas.
Sa labas na? Tara na. May awarding pa yata eh. Anton, may awarding pa.
Meron yung 1 million.
So, given the chance to ask the questions are really Miss Grand International candidate for Miss Day. What question will we ask for her?
Hello, I'm Steve. And I would like to congratulate you for winning Miss Grand Philippines 2024. If I were given a chance to ask you a question, I will ask you, how do you want to remember as Miss Grand International? And I will answer you for that. I'm not receiving. I'm just kidding, guys. I just be here for like I don't know. Okay, how do I remember being a Miss Grand Philippines? I think I'm a volunteer myself for the past 6 years, and being Miss Grand Philippines is entertainment. I can dance, I can sing, I can do hosting. If you want me to, I can give you a sample. Okay? And then that's it. I think I want to be remembered by being who I am as a volunteer, as a good servant in this country, and at the same time being able to help as well the local creators of Bataan who's here with me right now. And I want to show them that being able to be here to show up cuisine is already a win for me. Thank you.
What a grand day to all the Miss Grand Philippines. My name is David. Here's my question for Miss Occidental Mindoro. What a grand day, Miss Occidental Mindoro. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling nervous right now. Actually, I'm hiding behind someone over here and I'm hiding myself. But please let it hide. I'm so proud of myself as well as my province.
You're absolutely so stunning. So here's my question. As an empowered Grand Filipino, how will you use your voice to create impact and promote peace in today's world? Again, as an empowered Grand Filipino, how will you use your voice to create impact and promote peace in today's world?
As we're living in a modern generation nowadays, I believe that we could create an impact by using our social media platform, by spreading awareness, by spreading the love and respect
mental health awareness has become more prominent in recent years. As a public figure, how would you advocate for better mental health support, especially for youth?
You know, the access to mental health is already growing, but I do think that we still need a bit more of progressive advocacies for mental health because as a public figure, we face lots of passion. And I do think that as a Filipina candidate, a national candidate of Miss Grand, we can make a grand platform to change that. We can always start the day with kindness. And with kindness, we can spark up the peace that is within us. And with mental health, we should value that mental health as if it resides in our heart. Because being kind starts within ourselves. And that kindness that we provide for people, you don't know what it meant to them. Because being kind to me as a candidate, it meant the dream for me standing here. Thank you.
My question is for Ms. Norman. My name is Dr. Bravo from Pembroke Page. Because we live in a digital age, cyber wars, even at the smallest scale, are just as prevalent as physical wars. How do you think we can hold netizens accountable when we start disputes online and hide behind anonymity? Thank you for your question. Well, it is really heartbreaking to know that there is that kind of experiences or happening in today's world. But I think the thing that we can do is to have an open dialogue where we respect each other and let collective understanding be stood. Because at the end of the day, what we want in this world is a peace for all. Thank you so much.
My question again is for Ilocos region. So, how will your roots in Ilocos help you stand out in this grand Philippines? Again, how will your roots in Ilocos region help you to stand out here in this grand Philippines?
Well, I have previously introduced myself initially as Miss Commissioner because that is my hometown. My mother is from Commissioner, while my father is from Ilocos. And now that I'm standing on the national stage, I get to be the representative of both of my culture, my heritage, and our history. And I am, I guess, the best representation of both the cultures and bringing them along with me in every step of the way towards that goal right now.
Question pa, teacher Mia. Sino pa ba gusto mag-question? Question pa, question.
Okay, so for both, what body positive habits have you taken on this whole journey? What body positive habits have you exercised or practiced while on your journey in Miss Grand International?
My positive habits is pretty more on internal. Because remember when I was screening, I received a lot of criticisms online that I gained some fats on my body. So they're like, I was the short hair before, the blonde one. They're like, oh, and I'm gonna be pro max. Yeah. I think I was gonna, yeah, and it made me more passionate on maybe believing myself more on it's not more on body positivity, but believe in yourself internally that you can do it as long as you believe in yourself. Thank you so much. For me, I would have to say being more active than I was before. Now that I have been exercising more and more often, I definitely see a beautiful and confident
Okay, and that's about our question and answer portion.